Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone!